So every year, Goa Cann activates this campaign, Save the Frog campaign, at a time close to the monsoons. But we also raise the issue during the Save the Frog Day, which is on 28th of April every year. Then on Earth Day, we highlight it on 22nd April, and also on 22nd May, which is Biodiversity Day. Essentially, what is important to understand is the frog is very much part of Goa's culture, it's Goa's history and tradition and ecology. And today what we are noticing is for a number of reasons. One, of course, is the use of fertilizer and pesticide in our fields, which has affected the frog, the life of the frog. But more than that, it's the consumerist culture that has come in, wherein we have started consuming frogs as a delicacy, and which has been supplied to the tourists over the years, either calling it jumping chicken, flying chicken, different names. And essentially what is happening to our ecology is that the whole ecological cycle is getting broken. Because as you see, the availability of frogs in your neighborhood, in the paddy fields, whatever, you will see that they have always taken care of the larvae. They have handled the mosquito breeding that has been going on. And over the years, what has happened with the decrease in the frog population, we have found that there has been a rise in the vector-borne diseases. And therefore, it is essential for us to understand what crucial role the frog has in this larger campaign that not only about ecology but about also our health. And what we are advocating is that frogs should be allowed to survive. If possible, encourage their growth in your own compound and even the paddy fields. And very importantly, if people are poaching on these frogs, then it is very important to inform the forest department. So to take this campaign forward in the month of June at the homegrown and homemade market at Nove, and in June and July, we'll be specifically taking this up as a campaign to consumers to create an awareness. And we also want this year to take it up with our consumer clubs in schools, high secondary and colleges, saying that consumers have to change their habit. If we start eating frogs as a delicacy, we are going to also create that culture that we ignore the frogs. Frogs are not important for our survival. So once again, this year is a special appeal from Goa Cann to all consumers and to all those who have been of the belief that it doesn't matter if a frog is killed or a frog is eliminated. That time has come for us to take stock of the situation, and if we have serious concern for the ecology and the environment, then आमचो वेबो आमी राखूंक जाय.